So I went shopping, guys, and I have a haul for you. So if you want to know what I got from the Kiehl store, then keep on watching. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome in, and it's great to have you here in ChocTheGlam land. Okay, so over the weekend I took myself down to the Kiehl store with my mom to get her some makeup products, and while I was shopping with her, I got myself some things too because I am a huge fan of the Kiehl's brand. Now, Kiehl's, I learned about them through Karuchi Tran, and she said that's pretty much all she uses them. I just so happened to stumble upon the store when I was in the Armitage area, and I was like, I mean, what could it hurt? I mean, I'm into skincare. I spend money on my skin anyway with makeup. So your makeup is only as good as what your skin is underneath, right? So when I first went to Kiehl's, I worked with a girl named Chantel. Within those first 3 days after I started using the product, I saw a noticeable difference in my skin. So from there on out, even my mom thought I had on makeup. Like, everyone's asking me like, oh my god, what type of foundation are you using? I'm like, none. Needless to say, my mom was interested in getting some products from them, and they were having a sales event at the store over the weekend. You get a free travel size bag, which is customized towards whatever you get for your skin. So if you want an anti-aging bag, or if you want a bag for moisture, yada yada yada, they pretty much had you covered. They have 4 different bags, and you get a skin cleanser free when you purchase up to, I believe, $100 worth of products, which is not hard to do. This is the bag from Kiehl's, and the company has been in existence since 1851. So they really know what they're doing when it comes to the skincare thing. They're not some fly-by-night company. So the first thing in my bag is so this is the creme de corps, and this is a sample because my girl Chantel hooked me and my mom up, and she wanted us to try this out, and I believe that this is a moisturizer. So okay, let's see. I'm gonna just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, it's a little tight. Oh, okay, not so tight. Well, it's a cream, and it can be used on the body. Let's see how it feels on my hands. I didn't try it at the store. Ooh, okay, it's got a citrus scent to it. Oh yeah, okay. I see why she let me have this one. So see, I went from ashy to classy on y'all that fast. Okay, here we have a creme de corps, soy milk and honey whipped body butter. So this is a sample, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, let me in. Yeah. The difference in the two is this one's a lotion and this one more of a body butter. So it's heavier in consistency, which I like because I like oils and butters and things like this. Okay, so this is what I came into the store for in the first place. I have the Daily Reviving Concentrate, and I'm gonna open the box up for you guys. So this is what it looks like. I use a few drops. Now, when I first tried this product out, it was a sample, so the package was about that big, and it lasted me a month, and that's because like I would literally use a drop, like, or 3 on my whole face because I wanted it to last. But I noticed the visible difference in it, and for me, I noticed how much my skin changed, how like my under eyes were no longer dark, my dark spots started to fade, my whatever fine lines I have. Yeah, I mean, I have fine lines, like, don't get it twisted. I mean, it comes with age. So I had a few fine lines, and those seemed to diminish because I needed some moisture in my soul. So this one also has a blend of revitalizing ginger root, sunflower, tamanu oils to help correct the visible appearance of skin fatigue, because you know the skin can get real tired after putting on all this makeup. This bottle retails for about $84. Now, don't y'all get all offended because of the price tag, but this will last you a really long time, and health is wealth. So if you want your skin to be right, you have to invest in it. I mean, come on, if you can go to Sephora and spend $45 to $65 on a foundation, what's $20 more to get your skin correct underneath the makeup, okay? I love this. I normally wouldn't get one this size because they do have one a step below, but I use this every day. Now that I don't have the sample anymore, I'll get a little bit more product out of it and I will come back and show you guys the results. We have the Midnight Recovery Concentrate, which is strictly for the nighttime. And this one retails at $47 at the Kiehl store. And this one includes a replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore the appearance of skin by the morning. So if you know you had a rough night and you need to be on fleek by the time the morning comes, because I know how it can be. You can be marathoning all weekend, having drinks, going out, going to this pop out, going to this turn up, this function, and then you look like holy hot mess by Monday morning, and you can't go to work like that. So this right here is your best friend, and I'm gonna open it up just so you guys can see it. So as you see, it's noticeably smaller. However, I use this at night, so it really didn't need to be that big. The daily recovery is, let's see, is 1.7 fluid ounces. There's an even bigger one than this, which that's like, I feel like the whole family can use that one. The nighttime one I have is 1 ounce. There's 1 fluid ounce, which is more than enough because you only need a little bit at night. A little bit goes a long way with this product. So this is what I use every day on my skin since I started my Kiehl's regimen. And as you see, this was compliments of Kiehl's, and I was starting to run low because I use it so frequently on my skin. Now, this one is great if you have combination skin, but you need some moisture too. For me, I've always thought that I was dry, but I recently learned that I have combination skin, meaning that I have an oily T-zone, but everything else is dry. Not uncommon. Let me tell you some of the benefits of this wash. There's a mild cleanser, a derived sugar glycoside foaming agent to thoroughly cleanse the skin, remove makeup without over drying and stripping skin of its natural oils. The oils that are in this one here are apricot kernel oil, vitamin E, and avocado oil with a gentle formula that dissolves excess oil, dirt, and debris. And it's good for the pH balance. Last in our baggie here is our Kiehl's travel pack. I selected this travel bag because it's anti-aging and it had a lot of moisture and it reduced the appearance of fine lines and all that good jazz, which is helpful. So let's see what we got on in here, shall we? What I have here is a sample of the Nightly Refining Micro Peel Concentrate. Okay, this product promises to be a nightly micro peel concentrate to help you refine the feel of rough texture and renew newly radiant, refreshed skin. Pretty much like getting a facial, but you're at home. I like it. Ooh, okay, so I have my travel size Midnight Recovery to take with me when I hit the road. That way I'm not taking my big one out. And it's so cute. We have turmeric and cranberry seed energizing radiance mask. It says that it invigorates and brightens skin's appearance. So pretty much to give you a nice evened out skin tone, which is what I need because I have discoloration and that's just hereditary. Don't feel bad about it. It is what it is. So if you suffer from the same thing, then you might want to invest in this one here. I'll let you guys know what I think of these products over time as I try them out, as I use them. Then, oh, okay, perfect. So I also have the facial cream, the Ultra Facial Cream, which is what I use daily and nightly. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. I have the big one. So this one is great for me to take on the road once again. So when I go on traveling, I don't have to bring all of that stuff through TSA if I'm flying, which is quite difficult because they have thrown away some of my best stuff. I don't appreciate it. We have the Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. Oh, okay, it has 12.5% of vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid, which is great. I'm really gonna like this one because I have, of course, smile lines. You can't tell right now because I have them concealed and beat down so that way you all won't see them. That's the point. And I have some lines in my forehead because I have a huge habit of wrinkling my forehead, which, I mean, what can you do? It's just me. Yeah, and then of course there's this cute bag that it came with. Oh, I just flipped it all over like that. So this is the bag. I'm gonna really love this because I can put all of my little travel goodies in here, like my toothbrush and all of my new face stuff to take with me. So that does it for my mini haul for Kiehl's. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below to stay in tune to all of my updates, my videos, and just get all my notifications. Be a part of the notification gang. It's fun. Follow me. Also, be sure to hit thumbs up if you're feeling these kind of videos, because I'm really trying to get more into the skincare videos for you guys, so you all know what I do, because I don't have perfect skin. It's always a work in progress, but while it's a work in progress, I would like for you guys to see the progress. You know what I'm saying? So thank you all so much again for watching. It's been my pleasure to do this video for you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys on my next one. Take care. Bye.